Hey guys, I am going to show you how to get a Facebook pixel off of your business page. And essentially what a Facebook pixel does is it will it's Facebook's way of learning what kind of people are going to your website and track them. So without further ado, I'm just going to share a portion of my screen. So you're going to want to go to business.facebook.com, and you have to be one of the admins. Okay, now I am one of the owners of GMS Marketing. My name is Gemma McAllister, and in the upper left hand corner of your business page, okay, so you want to be in the home screen, the upper left hand drop down menu right there. You're going to see this little thing here. You're probably going to see something here that says all tools. If you don't see it, that's probably because yours looks a little different than mine, but in case yours looks the same, it's because you've created a pixel already. So the pixel is going to be under measure and report, and you're going to click right here, which is pixels, and it's about halfway down. So click on that, and then all pixels are is it's just code, and you do not have to be an expert at all to understand how a pixel works. But if you can copy and paste, and if you know how to do that, you can get a Facebook pixel off of your page. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to do this. Now, on your screen, yours will either look like this or it'll look slightly different. So because you never made a pixel before, it probably is going to ask you either to make a Facebook pixel, or if it doesn't ask you, it's going to say, or it's either going to say it's going to say make a Facebook pixel or add data source. I'm going to do add data source. So yours, if you've never done it, it's going to say create the Facebook pixel. Okay, and I've already done it, so that's why it's already got them there. So yours probably will come up with this because we're going to create one. So you're going to want to name it, and let's see, name it. I guess you can add your website URL if you have a website. It is optional, but I do not want to put my URL in here. So the other thing is really important. If you have a couple of businesses that are similar, you only need to create one pixel. But if you have a couple of, like, two businesses that are different, you need to make sure that you create different pixels, because, like, say you have a business that has, pet products or, health and wellness products, and then your other business is like success coaching, and you're sending people to them, and they're two totally different types of customers or clients. You don't want to be, you want to identify the types of people you're sending. So that's why you want to have two different pixels. But if you're not sure, just make two pixels. And I've named mine DFW Mobile Marketing Pixel, and I suppose now that we've got a website, we'll put this in. But you can create up to 10 pixels with your business account. Now it's creating the pixel. And again, you do not have to know code. So just make sure that your pixel is named, and then you hit the create button, and then it goes here, okay? And the one that we're gonna pick is manually install the code yourself. And then once you go there, all we're gonna do is go to number 2, and all these little letters and numbers in here, all this code in here, this is your pixel. And as you hover over it, you can see it's highlighting it. You just click on it and you see it turn green. You just copied it. So that's basically what I need from you, is just that main number 2, because you're gonna, this is the entire pixel code. We're gonna paste it into your website header. So you paste the pixel code at the bottom of the header section, just above the head tag. Facebook pixel code can be added above or below existing tracking tags such as Google Analytics in your site header. So, I mean, all these, like the locate header code for your website, this is your web page code for header templates in your CMS or web platform. So this is a different one. And then this is all different stuff. So send test traffic to your pixel. And so I'm going to continue. So if you have different things going on, if you want to do an event, so an event is any action on your website that can be tracked, such as when someone clicks a button or visits a page. With Pixel or Facebook Pixel, you can identify the events that matter to you and give them categories like add to cart, purchase, that reflect a visitor's action. So the reason why you want to add events is by adding events, you enable Facebook to show ads to people likely to take specific action, which we call a conversion, or to build audiences of people who triggered a specific event. You can also add parameters that pass unique information, such as the dollar value of a purchase. So to add events, for each event you'd like to track, you'll need to place a snippet of code on your website. The code helps us recognize that someone has taken an action. There are 2 options for placing the code. Track an event on page load when a person is taken to a new page as a result of their action, such as when an order confirmation page appears after completing a purchase, or track an event in line action to track dynamic page elements like buttons. So add the events you'd like to track. Select the events categories that are meaningful to your business and choose how you'd like to track them. So here's all of the events if you'd like to track. Now, these really don't apply to us for who I'm making this video for, but this is another pretty interesting part of getting a pixel. So now that we are done, you can do, if you want to go back, I guess, you can email instructions to a developer. So if you have a developer for you, pixel ID, and then put their email in there. So that's kind of neat too. There's the code. So basically, let's that's all we did. And then use integration or tag manager. Not sure what this one is, but with BigCommerce, Google Tag Manager, Magento, Segment, Shopify. So these are ones that if you use those sites, I suppose, the platform integration, you want to use it with this. So we are not going to use that. So anyway, I have the notes that I am actually going to use that for, and then I'm going to paste it on here. And because I need to send this to someone, I will copy and paste it and then give it to the person that I need. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you found it helpful, please share it. And if you would like any kind of digital marketing, interactive signs or anything, please feel free to get a hold of me. We do a lot of great things with NFC technology and digital products. So GMS marketing, we have a lot of cool stuff in the pipeline, and we'd love to show you what we have. So again, my name is Gemma McAllister, and I'm the owner of GMS Marketing. Thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye.